The ViewCube. The ViewCube is found in the upper right-hand corner. It allows us to view our solid model in 3D space. So what we want to do is if we pick on the face of this cube, where I pick on front, it'll bring me to that orthographic view. I also have these rollers here. Now I'm on the right view. Now I'm on the back view. Okay, the left view, back to the front view. I also can grab it by the corners of the box. When I grab by the corners of the box, I'm using an isometric view. Okay, isometric views when I see three sides of a 3D object. So if I pick it by the sides, I'm seeing it halfway between two orthographic views. So I can go around here and navigate however I want to see this. Anytime I can go back to my home view, which brings me right back to where I started. So we will navigate our view in 3D space using the ViewCube.